Okay, children, today we are going to learn the irregular surface of area with the help of the graph paper. So, with the help of scale, we cannot measure the length and breadth of this irregular surface. So, we have to use a graph paper. So, with the help of the graph paper, how we can find out the area of the leaf. This is irregular surface. So, what you are going to do, you have to put the leaf on the graph paper and draw the outline of the leaf. Okay, like this you have to draw the outline of the leaf. See, after drawing the outline of the leaf, this square boxes, so each square box is of 1 centimeter. So which boxes we have to count means the outline which are touching the total number of the box and half box or more than half box also we have to count. So I'll show you one thing. So these are touching only some part of the square. So we should not count them. Only the box which is totally occupying we have to count them. So these two we are leaving. So from here I am starting. 1, 2. You only put. So I have shown you, no? So one by one I show. Next, like this. So whichever box occupies the total box, half box and more than this one also you can count. This one. Half, more than half also we can. Next. Paisa, this we cannot count because it is only small amount. This we have. This is only some part of it is occupied. So this one is 90. Here. 20. This one is done. Right. Next. Each one of you see if we are leaving any box. This one also we can count. Till where we have written? 41. This we can 41. 40. So totally we have given the numberings in the box, in the outline of the leaf. So how much we have got? It is 43 squares we have counted. So now the area of the leaf is 43 centimeter square.